What's up guys, welcome to this new video, and today I fixed my valve cover. So I had an oil leak going into my spark plug, and it was causing I think it was causing it to just have a bad idle, and it was cutting the spark. I believe that's what was going on. So anyways, it was pretty bad. I covered it up, I sealed it with RTV sealant. Technically I tried to, it didn't work. I just got a Redbox movie family. Anyway, so the RTV sealant didn't even work. Some of it went into the oil, onto the valves, and oil, whatever, it just mashed it up, turned the oil red, which is weird. I didn't expect it to happen. Once I noticed that, I was like, well, I'm not gonna keep it going. I just ordered the valve cover off eBay, cost me $60, and anyways, I changed it up, so hope you guys enjoy. Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and today I'm gonna change the valve cover in the back, so it's the left side on this Altima coupe, and I'm also going to be cleaning out the throttle body, and that's about it. Remove these 1, 2, 3, there's 3 of them, and then I'll be removing these bolts that hold on to the intake manifold, these little hoses, this one here, and I also have to remove the throttle body. So I'll get back to you guys once I get all that removed. Alright guys, so I got the manifold off. All you gotta do is remove those the coils, and then start removing all those plastics off, then just unscrew the rest and go from there. Get myself on the hood. Just cleaning off all this RTV seal. Looks good to me now, so now time to put this back. So I'm gonna put this new cover on and hope all works. Alright, so I'm recording everything with my light on now because I ran out of light. The light I was using shut off on me, so anyways, I got the intake on, and these the valve to intake on. I'm just bolting these up, and then I'm gonna move to the throttle body and try to clean that. Got everything connected. I'm gonna double check one more time, make sure everything's good. All the body, everything's good. I'm gonna connect the battery now. Alright, so I got everything connected, and I'm gonna start it right now. Let's see, hope nothing spills out, or hope everything's good actually. Just gonna double check before I turn it on. Alright, let's turn it on. I know it's been causing me troubles because when I do pulls, it just lags, it doesn't feel right. So hopefully it fixed and I don't have any more problems, and if not, then something else is wrong. I also cleaned my throttle body and everything, so I mean, I feel it good. I don't feel any problems, no hesitations anymore. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed it, go give it a like. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'm hoping to do a giveaway soon, so stay tuned, and hopefully I have more content for you guys. Peace.